Hey guys, we just got back from the mailroom with the Jacquemus t-shirt packet, so let's go ahead and open this. It's a small packet, so from Essence, got on sale. Essence don't really like to keep their packaging fancy or anything like that. It's pretty standard. Right here. Here's a t-shirt. Looks like it's gonna fit. It's gonna be like a baggy oversized fit. Okay, let's just rip this open. This is a medium. It's a medium, by the way. So. Here it is, beige. It's got the Essence tag. This is Jacquemus here. Looks like it's gonna fit, honestly. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect. Nothing more to it. Has the branding up here. But yeah, standard fit. It's kind of got the essentials, the essentials colorway of beige. But thanks for watching.